you see in me. Gotta be.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kiana Lachey, and I am back with another video. Hey YouTube, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video from Amazon. We have about maybe 3 packages. So before we get into this video, you already know what you gotta do. Comment down below what videos you want to see next. If you want a part 2, anything, whatever you want to see on my channel. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias at _.kxnnaa on my TikTok and my Instagram. And make sure you guys follow me on my Twitter at Kiana Lachey. Also, make sure you guys give this video a big fat thumbs up and share this video to all your close friends and family. And make sure you guys subscribe. Like, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? And let's get into the video. So we have 3 Amazon packages, and I'm so very excited. I ordered these maybe yesterday, so they came today, which was fast. Like I said, I have 3. I have 3 right here, 3 babies. So let's get the unboxing. So we're gonna do the big one first. Matter of fact, no, we're gonna save. Actually, no, we're gonna do this first. So I got my scissors. I did not open them. As you see, they're still taped up. I did not open them at all. So we're about to open them. Let you guys see. Straight down the middle. Boom. This bad boy up. Put on the floor. Ooh, so this is my tripod, guys. This is my tripod. So this is the Ulanzi tripod, flexible tripod, shoot at any time. Remote control, and it's 23 centimeters. So this is my tripod. Let's open it up. I am so excited. I told everybody I'm going to be serious about this YouTube stuff, and I wanted to let you guys know, like, you know, what you may want to get if you want to start a YouTube channel. I want to, you know, help you guys as well. I don't get geek, so I'm going to let you guys know where I got my stuff from. All of this is from Amazon, everything. So this is the remote. Has the Android and the iOS. So it's for Android and iOS. As you can see, it's very little. What's this part? I don't know what this part is. Oh, it's to turn it on. Okay. So I just turned it on. As you can see, it's beeping. It comes with like a little instructions, or, you know, tells you about it. It's the manual right here. And then on the back, oops, on the back tells you about, you know, the button and everything else. You open it up, then let you know everything, all the directions, like how to put it on, you know, the cameras and assemble it. So yes, let's open up this right here. Oops, about to drop stuff. What is this? So this is the connector to put, you know, okay. So this is to put the tripod on right here, the connector. This piece right here is for what, phones? Oh, so this piece right here is for the phone. So this is for a camera. This piece is for the camera, and this one is for the phone. You know, okay, cool. So let's get into the tripod. So this is the tripod. Wow, it's really flexible. Okay, so it has 3 legs. It's really flexible. This is, I believe this is another part, like for a camera part too as well. And this is a setting to make it tighter or loosen it, or, you know, up and down. Okay, very nice. Very nice. I love this. It feels really good. Like, hey, you too, girl. Let's see if it stands. Like, you know, it do stand. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. I like it. So that is the tripod. Next we have this bad boy right here. So let's open her. So that's the tripod. I don't know what this is right here. Hold on, I gotta put it down real quick. Okay. Oh, this is really hard with nails, y'all. Okay. What is this? Ah, y'all so excited. My camera. My camera. Ah! This is my camera, y'all. So y'all know the camera on TikTok. If you guys on TikTok and you watch TikTok, it's a camera that everybody is talking about on TikTok. It's a $100 camera, which they lied. It's like $140-something, but it's the $100 camera. It's the digital camera. It is right here. So let's unbox it. Me struggling. There you go. Yes, guys. Ah, I'm so excited. So excited. So when you unbox it, comes with a manual. It's a little thick manual, you know, a little thick. It comes with a charger piece right here. What is this? I don't know what this is, but let's open it up. It looks like something like for a lens or something. Yeah, I think it's like a lens cover or something like that. But it comes with this. It also comes with, okay, so here, it also comes with the lens right here. I don't know what I'm doing, guys, so don't judge me. Okay, here you go. So this is the lens right here. Put it back together. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god. And I believe this is like a SD card or something. If it comes out. Okay, got it. Yes, so this is the SD card right here. Or the you specifically your charger only. Or the charger. I'm not for sure, y'all. I'm gonna read the manual and stuff, but it comes with this. I believe it comes with, it's another one, the charger piece for this. It comes with a lot of stuff in here, and it was only like $100 and something. So you just starting off like me, I highly recommend. Okay, so here it comes with like a little stand for your SD cards. Now let's get into what we all been here for, what we've been waiting for. Is the freaking camera. They had black and they had pink. I got pink because it was cheaper. So, well, no, it wasn't cheaper actually, but I got the pink one. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so excited. Oh my god. But this is the pink one. Oh my god. And it comes with this. I think it flips, or maybe it doesn't flip. Maybe I have to figure out how to work it. But yes, y'all. And this is the back of the camera right here. And this is the front. So let's try to turn it on. Or maybe, I don't know how to work this, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. We're gonna come back. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna set it up with you guys. I'm gonna set everything up with you guys on here. I just want to unbox everything first so you guys can see what I got. So next is this package right here. I believe this is our final package. I got a tripod. I got that. I believe, yeah, this should be the last package that I got. If not, I probably have another one downstairs, so I will go and get it. So right here, this is my lights for my camera. On top of the camera, I just wanted to get a light so it could look, you know, more clear and pretty, especially like if I'm outside at night or something, like, you know. or filming like an event. I cannot open this. Let's open it up. Yeah, I'm so excited. I feel like a real YouTuber now. Cause yeah, I can't wait to give y'all some content on this freaking camera. All right, so let's open it up. Oops. Okay. Oops. Look at me dropping stuff. Okay, I don't know what this is. So, comes with a charger. What else it comes with? That's everything. Yeah, comes with a charger. Comes with a manual. You know, and this is the camera. I mean, not the camera, girl. The lights. The lights. Ah! This is the back with all the different colors on it. I want to see if I can try to turn it on. Maybe I gotta wait to charge it up or something. Yeah, I figured it out. But this is the light right here. This one is called the VL49 RGB mini lights video LED. So that's what that is called. This right here, I am not for sure what this is. Sorry, I kind of forgot what this is. But we about to see. Let's open this up. What is this? Oh, I believe this is my mic, guys. Yes, it is. It's my mic. So this is the mic. It don't really like say what it is. Neewer. So yeah, it comes with this. This is to go on the little microphone piece. You know. Oops. Rolling. This I believe is. Oh, okay. So this is the mic itself right here. Right here. This is, I believe, I don't know what it's called. Is it called a muffler or I don't know what it's called, but I'm about to show you guys. This right here. For the mic. I don't know. Comment down below, y'all. I'm new to all this, so I don't really know what everything is called. This right here, I'm not for sure either, but it came with this. And it came with this as well. So, I'm very excited. So, that is my unboxing video with you guys. I know it was a short video. I'm gonna come back when I assemble everything. I don't want to do it on camera because it's going to take, like, you know, some stuff. I might record a little bit, but I will be back when everything is assembled and show you guys. So, hey YouTube, I am back and everything is assembled. I know I was going to show you guys some clips, but it was very hard. I had to watch YouTube videos. But here's the camera. I put the lens on. This is my camera from Amazon. I also put the mic on it. I figured out everything. So this is the mic. It also comes with this. I figured out what this is. This is like a wind protector. So when you're outside, you know, and it's windy, you put this on and, you know, it protects your camera and your mic or whatever. This is just a regular one. So this is the mic right here. This is the lens. It's a digital high 0.45 super wide angle lens. So this is the lens that's on here. I'm gonna let you guys see it. And this is the tripod. I finally put it on here. It's on the bottom. Unfortunately, I couldn't put the light on here. So I would see how like this sound like without the mic, and then put the camera on here. But it also has a light right here too, and it's bright, so you know. So this right here is the on button. This right here is the camera or record button. This right here is all like, you know, your controls or whatever. So it's the camera for you to take pictures, recording. I have to figure out everything else, but I know this is the camera and this is recording. So this is like all the things right here. Right now I have it on recording right now. This is the back of the camera. So this right here is the you know, the camera, the flip camera, if I can flip it. Sorry, I got nails. So yeah, like that. Boom. So it is a flip camera, which I'm very excited about. This right here is a menu. I don't know what this is. This right here is like trash, delete. This is the on button, okay button. This is, I don't know what this is, and this is the light. This is to zoom out and to zoom in. So let's turn on the camera right here. You turn it on. It will cut and it will say welcome. And then it will come on like that. So as you guys can see, this is from the back angle. So this is without the camera, without the flash on. I'm going to turn the flash on. And now this is with the flash on. And I'm going to turn it back right here. I'm going to let you guys see this. The camera quality is really good. I love the camera quality on this. It is so beautiful. It's very clear, as you guys can see. So this right here is all of like the things that's on here. Is 4K. This is the light up here. This is 0 because we're not recording right now. This right here is the charger. Like this is the zoom in, zoom out. This right here, I'm not for sure. These are like the times and stuff. And I'm not for sure what these are yet. I still have to figure it out. But this is the settings. And this is the mic because I have the microphone connected to this. So, this is very beautiful, y'all. I am so very excited. Oh my God. It is so freaking beautiful. I love this camera so much. So, I highly recommend. Let me turn off the flash. I know it's bright. But I highly recommend you guys go get this camera. This camera was not that expensive. It probably was like $100 and something. This is the pink one. They also have a black one. This one was probably $149. I'm not for sure, but it was $1 something. I'll put the links in the description box down below. And the black one was $119. So it wasn't bad. The tripod was $15. The mic was, I believe, $15 too. The lights, I'm not for sure how much the light was, probably $12. Please don't go for my prices. I'm going to put it in the description box below. But this is the viral TikTok 4K camera. And I'm so very excited. When you turn it off, it says goodbye. I'll let you guys see. Yes, it says goodbye. So, this is the end of the freaking video. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. I have a lot of content coming for you guys very soon. Before we end this video, make sure you guys comment down below any videos you want to see in the future or on my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys give this channel and this video a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you guys share my video with all your friends and close family. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias, and we are out. Deuces.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight, had me thinking that I was